Everyone, my name is Jinky Belkaidi and I'm going to discuss the process of mitosis and meiosis. First is what is mitosis. It's a process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells or cells division. During cells division, mitosis refers specifically to the separation of the duplicated genetic material carried in the nucleus. Next is five phases in mitosis. First is prophase. Mitosis begins with the prophase, during which chromosomes recruit condensers and begin to undergo a condensation process that will continue until metaphase. In most species, coescence is largely removed from the arms of the sister chromatids during prophase, allowing the individual sister chromatids to be resolved. Second is prometaphase. Begins with the fragmentation of the nuclear envelope into many small vesicles that will eventually be divided between the future daughter cells. The breakdown of the nuclear membrane is an essential step for spindle assembly. Is an extremely dynamic part of the cell cycle. Microtubules rapidly assemble and disassemble as they grow out of the centromes, seeking out attachment sites at chromosomes kinetochores, which are complex plate-like structures that assemble during prometaphase on one phase to its sister chromatids and its syndrome. Third is the metaphase. Next, chromosomes assume their most compacted state during metaphase, when the centromeres or all the cell's chromosomes line up at the equator of the spindle. Metaphase is particularly useful in cytogenetics because chromosomes can be easily visualized at this age. Fourth is anaphase. The progression of cells from metaphase into anaphase is marked by the abrupt separation of sister chromatids. Fifth is telophase and cytokinesis. Mitosis ends with telophase, or the stage at which the chromosomes reach the poles. The nuclear membrane then reforms. The chromosomes begin to decondense into their interphase conformation. Telophase is followed by cytokinesis, or the division of the cytoplasm into two daughter cells. The daughter cells that result from the process have identical genetic composition. Next is meiosis. It's a special type of cell division of germs cells. Is sexually reproducing organism used to produce the gametes, such as sperm or egg cells. It involves two rounds of division that ultimately result in four cells with only one copy of each chromosomes. It's a process where a cell divides twice to produce four cells containing half the original amount of genetic information. Next is four phases in meiosis 1. Prophase 1 is longer than the mitotic prophase and is further subdivided into five substages: liptotin, zygotin, pasitin, and tuplutin, and diakinesis. Second is metaphase 1. The bivalent align at the equatorial plate and might cross over from the opposite poles attached to the pairs of homologous chromosome. Third is anaphase 1. The two chromosomes of each bivalent separate and move to the opposite ends of the cell. The sister chromatids are attached to each other. In telophase 1, the nuclear membrane repairs and is followed by cytokinesis. This gives rise to a gyre of cells. Next is the phases of meiosis 2. First is prophase 2. Chromatin condenses to form visible chromosomes. Again, the nuclear envelope and nucleus disintegrate and spindle fiber begin to appear. No crossing over occurs. Mitosis 2. Spindle fiber connect to the kinetochore of each sister chromatid. The chromosomes align to the equatorial plane, which is rotated 90 degrees compared to the equatorial plane in meiosis 1. One sister chromatid faces each pole with the arms divergent. Third is anaphase 2. The spindle fiber connected to each sister chromatid shorten, pulling one sister chromatid to each pole. Sister chromatids are known as sister chromosomes from this point. And fourth is telophase 2. Meiosis 2 ends with the sister chromosomes have reached opposing poles. The spindle disintegrates and the chromosome recall, forming chromatins. A nuclear envelope forms around each haploid chromosome set. Before cytokinesis occurs, forming two daughter cells from each parent cell or four haploid daughter cells in total. And that's all. Thank you.